There are times when it's really useful to gather information direct from a user, to prompt users with questions and collect their answers. Live Assist for Microsoft Dynamics 365, powered by CafeX, offers great survey tools to do just that. In this lesson, we'll look at how to use them to configure chat surveys. Now, we can collect survey information from 3 different contexts. There's a pre-chat visitor survey where we question visitors before they join a live chat session, information that's then recorded and displayed to the agent as they chat. There's a post-chat visitor survey where we follow up after a chat session, perhaps asking for visitor feedback or maybe requesting their contact details. And finally, there's an offline survey, ideal for those occasions where, when no agents are online, we offer a leave a message and we'll get back to you type interaction. All survey data is stored with the chat record in the Dynamics CRM, available at any time for analysis and follow-up. So let's take a look then at how to set up and manage surveys, something we do from the Live Assist engagement portal. Now, surveys belong to a campaign. I'll add mine to the default campaign, and they're always associated with a chat window engagement. So adding a new engagement window, well, right away I see the default chat window, but clicking Views up here, I can now choose the surveys I'd like associated. For example, if I want a pre-chat survey between when the visitor clicks for live chat and the system joining her with an agent, if I want a post-chat survey after the session, or if we want an offline leave a message type interaction if no agents are logged in. Enabling a pre-chat visitor survey, you'll notice it's pre-populated with name, email and phone number questions. Clicking Add Question, a new question appears, and clicking the question itself, the Edit Question pane opens. Now, the question type drop-down offers 3 multiple choice fixed answer question types and 3 open-ended text or numeric question types. The drop-down menu and the radio button options both prompt a user to choose one item from a list. So, for what type of holiday would you prefer? Beach, adventure, add cruise, add safari. Actually, I'd like safari at the top and adventure at the bottom. We can also set if the question is required, whether or not the user can skip the question without giving a response. Then, when done, well, the question is good to go. Maybe we want multiple responses to a single question, like which cities have you previously visited? Tick all that apply. New York, Paris, Moscow, Sydney. Well, clicking Done, we see multiple checkboxes, all of which are checkable. The text field and text area question types are very similar. The text field types being great for short open-ended text questions, what is your postcode? Whereas the text area questions are great for those longer open-ended questions. Describe your ideal gourmet meal, where the text area gives you more space for that longer answer. Finally, there's a numeric field option, perfect for those questions where the answer is a number. How many holidays do you typically take each year? With the question set, if we like, we can rearrange their order. Just click to edit, then use the up or down arrows. If we like, we can also duplicate questions. And if they're not needed anymore, we can delete them. Nice. So that's the pre-chat visitor survey set and enabled. If I also want a post-chat visitor survey, the process is the same. Click to enable, formulate your questions, perhaps using the default questions or adding your own multiple choice or your own open-ended questions. The same is true for the offline survey that prompts the visitor to leave a message if none of our agents are online. Again, we can edit the default questions or add our own. They all follow the same pattern. Then clicking Save and Publish. Well, now on visiting the site and clicking to chat, as a visitor, I'm first presented with those pre-chat questions. My answers being recorded in the Dynamics CRM and also presented to the agent during the chat for some extra context. Then at the end of the chat, I'm also presented with the post-chat survey. Great. Through its survey capabilities, Live Assist for Microsoft Dynamics 365, powered by CafeX, means we can collect information from visitors before and after a chat, and we can prompt them to leave a message if our agents are all offline.